In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an AI clone with HeyGen. We'll walk through the exact flow to design a custom virtual character using HeyGen's built-in AI, keeping things simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. Start by opening the HeyGen homepage in your browser. Once the dashboard loads, look to the left sidebar and select Avatar. This opens the area dedicated to creating and managing characters. From there, choose avatars to view your workspace. On the My Avatars page, click Create a Virtual Character. You'll see different ways to build a character. Select Design with AI. This option lets you generate a clone from a written description rather than uploading media, which is perfect for fast iterations and consistent branding. You'll be prompted to describe your avatar's look. Be specific and concise. Focus on details that matter on camera, like hairstyle, clothing type, overall vibe, and any defining features. Short, direct phrases generally work best. Avoid including any personal or sensitive information. Stick to visual traits only. Next, give your avatar a name. Choose a neutral descriptive label that helps you identify the character later. Then choose the age, gender, and ethnicity that best reflect your intended look. These fields simply guide the model's visual output, so select the options that align with your creative intent and audience. There's also a box to further describe your avatar. Use it to add helpful context. Facial expression, mood, background setting, lighting, or color palette. Details like studio lighting, soft shadows, or clean background make a big difference in the final result. If you want a quick starting point, click Try a Sample. This will populate an example prompt you can review and edit. It's a great way to learn the format and refine your own description without starting from scratch. Now, choose your orientation. Pick portrait for vertical first platforms or landscape if you plan to embed the avatar in wider video frames. Select a pose that matches the energy you want. Relax for explainers, more dynamic for promos, so the body language supports your message. Then choose a style, whether you prefer photoreal, cinematic, or something more stylized to match your brand. When everything looks good, click Generate Preview. HeyGen will process your request and display a render of the avatar you described. Review the result closely. If something feels off, adjust your description, pose, or style and generate another preview until you're satisfied. That's the full flow to create an AI clone with HeyGen using Design with AI. Thanks for watching and happy creating.